just directly on the material. Wastewater analysis is a way to find out the characteristics of the wastewater product and to know how to test the wastewater to test a pollutant characteristic, which then compares it with the wastewater quality standard to find out whether the reduction in pollutant concentration in each plant unit. Water sampling is an integral part of the water quality measurement system, namely to obtain accurate and valid water quality data. To get a representative water sample, several requirements are needed, include A. Selection of the right location, B. Sampling technique, C. Sample preservation method. Selection of water sampling location. The selection of a water sampling location is one of the important steps in the water sampling procedure. The sampling location includes so that the water samples taken truly represent the water body. In order to obtain representative measurement result, the location of water sampling can already be determined in the planning and can be put on a map. But the final decision really depends on the condition in the field after a preliminary survey has been carried out. Number 1. Selection of water sampling location in rivers. Sampling of well water or groundwater, sampling of water in lakes or reservoirs, sampling at the water treatment plant. Water sampling technique. In water sampling, it is known as grab sample or temporary water sample and composite sample or mixed water sample. Instantaneous water sample or grab sample. The term instantaneous water sample is a water sample taken at one time from one location. Thus, the measurement data only represent water quality at the time of collection and at the point of collection. Therefore, grab samples are intended for water body whose quality is relatively stable to change in season and change into water body. Composite sample water or composite sample. Composite water sample are mixed water sample taken from one location with several periods of collection within a certain time span. Then the water sample are combined and mixed into one sample. The sampling period is generally carried out for 24 hours or day and night, with a sampling frequency of every 1, 2, or 3 hours, or continuous sampling for 24 hours using a pump with a constant flow rate. Preparation of a place or box for transporting water samples. To transport water sample from the sampling location to the laboratory, a box or cool is needed. Many cool boxes are sold in the market with a volume of 20 liters. During transportation, the water sample should be cooled by adding aspic. Reagent and equipment for measuring field parameters and reagents from preserving water samples. There are some water parameters that are impossible to preserve, but measurement must be taken as soon as possible, namely measurement in the field or at the location of water sampling. Parameters that are generally measured at the water sampling location are temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen, acidity and alkalinity, residual chlorine. Thus, is necessary to prepare equipment and reagent for parameter measurement in the field. Preservation of water samples. Preservation of water samples are treatment applied to water samples with the aim that water quality does not change during the journey from the sampling location to the laboratory. And during storage in the laboratory waiting to be analyzed, the preservation method or each parameter is different depending on the characteristic of the parameter in the water, and each preservation carried out has a time limit for preservation. Because the process of preserving water samples is a process carried out with the aim that the chemical compounds to be tested do not change during storage. To know the technique of preserving water samples, it is necessary to know the characteristic of each chemical compound present in water. Contamination analysis. Contamination is unwanted compound into the sample during the treatment process from start to finish. Source: atmosphere, operator, water, and reagents. A. Contamination from the atmosphere coming from a trace element practice. Way to avoid by covering the sample solution during the preparation and analysis process. B. Contamination by operator. Na and Cl can be transferred to the sample through that the operators breathe, such as dust and cigarette smoke. C. Contamination from equipment. Glassware Pyrex is acid and alkaline resistant. High silica glass tip Gela is for resistant to solution attack. Glassware washing using 1-to-1. The other frequently used preparation equipment is less likely to metal contamination. Silica or quartz, plastic, polyethylene and polypropylene, Teflon, PVC, rubber, filter hard. Contamination from reagents number 1 mineral acid and ammonia, inorganic solid, organic reagents, organic solvents. Mineral acid. Most mineral acid contain certain metals. Extra pure acid, ammonia solution in water is splashed in the glass bottle. Analytical reagent. Ammonia may contain heavy metal, possible due to the absorption of this metal by glass. C. Inorganic solid. This solid is pure enough to be used directly. Purification is usually by crystallization or filtration. D. Organic reagent. It is usually so relative to the metal that surrounding metal is complex to form a chelate. A. Organic solvent. The metal content in organic solvent is usually relatively low, and one must be wary of the presence of other compounds. Enough some material from me. If there are wrong words, please sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.